Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to read about adverbs. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Or we can say an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. To understand it better, look at these sentences. The traveler walked briskly. Today, I faced a very difficult situation. She faced the interview quite confidently. In the above sentences, the words briskly, very, and quite are all adverbs. In sentence 1, the adverb briskly adds to the meaning of the verb walked. It tells how the traveler walked, and hence briskly is an adverb modifying a verb. In sentence 2, difficult is an adjective describing the noun situation. The adverb very adds to the meaning of the adjective difficult. It tells how difficult the situation was, and hence very is an adverb modifying an adjective in a sentence. In sentence 3, confidently is an adverb describing the verb faced. The adverb quite adds to the meaning of the adverb confidently. It tells how confidently she faced the interview, and hence quite is an adverb modifying another adverb in a sentence. Children, there are 5 kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Let us see them one by one. Adverbs of manner. It tells how an action is performed, or it describes the manner of an action. For example, she completed her work nicely. He was behaving angrily. In both the sentences, nicely and angrily are adverb showing how the action is performed, or describing the manner of an action or the way of the occurrence of an action. Let us see another kind, adverbs of place. It tells where an action is performed, or expresses the place of the occurrence of an action. For example, someone is talking outside. Father went downstairs. In both the sentences, outside and downstairs are adverb showing the place of an action. They tell where an action is performed. Hence, they are adverbs of place. The third kind is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell when an action is performed, or we can say they state the time of occurrence of the action. They may give sharp or rough idea about the time of occurrence of an action. For example, he will go to school tomorrow. I met him yesterday. In both the sentences, tomorrow and yesterday are adverbs of time because they show when the action is performed, or they show about the time of an action. The next is adverbs of frequency. They tell how often an action is performed, or they tell about how many times an action occurs. They give an idea about the frequency of occurrence of an action. For example, I meet him daily. He usually sleeps in the day. In both the sentences, daily and usually are adverbs of frequency because they tell how many times or how often an action occurred. The next kind is adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell how much or in what degree an action is performed. For example, she has almost finished. He was just leaving. In both the sentences, almost and just are adverbs of degree because they answer the question how much or in what degree the action occurred or the action is performed. Let us recapitulate. An adverb is a word that adds something or modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. They are of 5 kinds: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree.